Hi, this is the new Kwikset SmartCode 914 electronic lock that can be installed on the doors of houses. It is very easy to install. You only need a screwdriver. Once installed, 30 people can open the door with their own security codes. That is 30 user codes. It also comes with 2 keys in case of emergency. This is the part that is installed outside. This is the part that is installed inside the door. Four AA batteries are included with the package to power the lock. The lock can be opened or closed using the Z-Wave 500 series technology. This is the single cylinder deadbolt. The Z-Wave technology lock comes with a lifetime warranty. It is bump proof, pick proof, drill proof, and saw resistant. Enjoy the security of the SmartCode Smart Lock from Kwikset. It can be opened from anywhere in the world, opened or closed.